The sheer audacity of the liver fluke strategy to hijack an ant's brain and force it into life threatening scenarios is the stuff of science fiction. Yeah, it's happening right under our noses in the natural world. My goodness. Honestly, the complexity of this interaction is awe inspiring. It's a beautiful choreographed dance between two species. Each has its own role to play. The ants becoming unwitting actors in a drama orchestrated by the liver flukes, who have evolved over time to carry out parasitic manipulation with astounding precision. My goodness!